Can you count your numbers?
1, 32, 3, other 2.
How about we count all the way up to 13? Ready? Let's go. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7. What's next?
8,
8,
9,
9, 10. That was a good job. Do you know what comes after 10?
10,
Then what?
13,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13.
14,
Say yay!
13.
13. Can you give us all a big clap and say yay, my numbers?
Mama.
And what do we